In my defense, anyone with allergies understands this. I'm going to give you my noises, and I've not been able to control these my entire life. So when my allergies are flaring up, to scratch on the inside of my nasal canal, I hum and rub my nose at the same time. So it goes...
Yep.
And then I can scratch the back of my throat with my tongue, and I kind of get a suction going in there, like going.
And sometimes he does that, both those noises, in tandem all night.